Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Tushar Khan Fact. I am Tushar Khan. Today I am explaining top 10 travel Mastercard rewards. Number 1. Charge Spare Preferred Credit Card Best Overall Travel Card. Annual fee $95. Rewards 2x1 travel and dining, 5x1 travel visa cash. Point transfer to top program like Health, Unite and more. Number 2. Capital on Venture Rewards Credit Card Best Felt Rates Meal. Annual fee $95, 2x on every purchase. Easy redeem points, Global Airlines partner. Number 3. Platinum card for American Express luxury travel leaders. $695 annual fee. Rewards 5x1 flight and hotel. Access to over 1,300 airport always. Number 4. Cash Spare Reserve Card Premium choice for frequent travelers. Annual fee $550. Rewards 3x1 travel and dining. Park $300 travel credit pointing purchase longer. Number 5. Capital on Venture X Reward Credit Card Premium Travel at a deal. Annual fee $395. Rewards 10x1 hotel, 2x1 wall purchase. Airport longest access plus $300 travel credit. Number 6. City Premier Credit Card Flexible travel partner option, $95 annual fee, 3x1 hotel rewards, airfare, dining, supermarkets. Strong airline transfer partner. Number 7. American Express Gold Card best for food and travel combo, $250 annual fee, 4x on dining, 3x on flights. Great for foodings and frequent flighter. Number 8. Bank of America Travel Reward Card. Open a checking account, earn a $300 cash offer. When you open a new eligible checking account and make qualifying direct deposit. New offer 60% customized cashback. $300 checking cash offer. Custom mobile alert. Live up your account security. What's your security matter? Risks as you take action against fraud. See it in the security center in mobile and online banking booking. Number 9. Wells Fargo Autograph Journey Credit Strong New Consumer. $300 25 checking bonus 1 USA. New consumer open a eligible checking account with qualifying direct deposit. New consumer say hello to a $125 bonus. Open a clear access banking account, great for student and more complete offer recommendation. Earn $200 cash reward bonus plus earn unlimited 2% cash reward on purchase with 0 annual fee. Terms apply. Open a saving account. Explore your saving account and find the right for it for you. Number 10. Build MasterCard best for rent reward. Earn points on rent. Unlock benefits in our Trainhood. Earn point on every on-time rent payment. Boost your credit with free rent reporting and access exclusive rent day benefits every month. Earn rewards on rent. Transfer your latest monthly expense into valuable rewards. Earn build point with every on-time rent payment and unlock exclusive monthly rent day benefits. Enroll in Credit Boost. Build your credit history by automatically reporting your on-time rent payment to X. Thank you for your watching. Like, share and comment. Please support my channel.